In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to request an invoice for a customer's premium or flex service request. To request an invoice, follow these simple steps. Open the Ayuda app on your device. Navigate to your work, whether it's premium or flex, using the bottom navigation tab. Locate the Ongoing Work section in the Active Ayudas tab. Tap it to view its details. On the Job Details page, locate the three-dot option menu at the top right corner. Tap on it to open a menu of additional options. From the menu, tap Request Invoice to initiate the invoice request process. Manually input all the items, materials, and tools required for the job, along with their quantities, in the space provided. After inputting all the item details, tap on the Submit Request button to send the item list to Ayuda. Ayuda will then create the invoice and push it to the customer on your behalf. Once the request is submitted, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the invoice request has been successfully sent. By following these steps, you can easily request an invoice for a customer's premium or flex service request, ensuring proper documentation and transparency in your transactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.